Welcome. In front of me is a REALME Narzo, or however you pronounce this, Narzo 30. And today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification on this device. Now, before I get started, I can see right on this device right here that it is locked, and I can either unlock it using the pattern that was previously used, or if I close this using Google account. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, what you want to do is grab a SIM card that has a pin on it. I'm gonna quickly lock the device and pop off the cover off of it. There we go. And the tray is on the upper left side of the phone. There we go. So, as you can see, it pops us up with a pin, so we're gonna enter that pin. And this will then lock the device. So now pull down your notification panel, or at least try to. So I'm gonna expand that little thing that was there, and this pulls down notifications. From here you wanna select settings, and it is in Polish for some reason right now, even though I did select English, I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna quickly just change the language before I do anything else. So okay, so I changed the language to English, just so we can actually see what you need to do. So from the settings page, you want to now navigate to additional settings, scroll down, select backup and reset, erase all data, factory reset, and then erase all data, erase data, and I guess once more. And this will now begin a factory reset of the device. So just give it a couple of minutes. And once it's completed, we'll then be back in the setup screen, but at that point the device will be unlocked. So I'll just wait for this to finish, and once it has, I'll come back. Okay, so as you can see, the process is now finished, so we can now go to the setup of the device. Now, to be completely honest, right now you can go to the setup however you like. The device is fully unlocked at this point, and there is no need to do anything extra apart from just setting it up. Actually, I'm gonna pop out the SIM card just so I don't need to put in the pin. There we go. Now, I'll be going through the setup fairly quickly, skipping as much as I can, just so you can see that there is no need to actually verify anything, and I can skip Wi-Fi, which normally is not an option if the device is locked. And there we go. There's the home screen. No need to verify anything. Like I mentioned, the device is fully unlocked. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.